In this video, we will show you how to replace your cabin air filter on this Honda Civic. This will be located behind your glove box. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Overall, this job is going to be fairly simple. Go ahead and open up your glove box. Remove anything from inside. After that, we're going to take hold of each side of the glove box assembly and we're going to squeeze it in gently, dislodging the locking tabs and then carefully bringing it down. Now we can have a look behind this area. Now right in this area is where we can see our cabin air filter cover. Along either side of it, it has a small squeezable locking tab. Just going to go ahead and squeeze those in towards the center. Remove that cover. Now just behind that area, we can see the cabin air filter. We'll start pulling that out of place. There's that cabin air filter. All right, let's get ready to install our brand new cabin air filter. Before installation, let's just have a quick look along the sides. We're looking for the writing. We can see airflow with an arrow. We want that facing down towards the blower motor. Let's go ahead and slide this in place. Make sure we have it in the proper orientation here. It won't fit the other way. Gently slide it in. Now it's time for our cabin air filter cover. Slide this on there, latch it in along either side. Audible click, a light tug confirming it's properly secured in place. Let's slowly start bringing the glove box into the proper position. Latch it in. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you need to do is go ahead and put the key in the on position and test the functionality of your blower motor, confirming you don't hear any odd noises. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.